So guys, this is the puppies I'm talking about. It's so small and they are newborn maybe at May 16 or May 15, I don't know, or May 17. And but guys, I put it here when maybe it was, I don't know, 10 o'clock. But maybe guys, I put it here at maybe lunch time. But today is my grandma's birthday, so they are so many people there. So that's the puppies I'm talking about. And maybe they are sleeping, but maybe the mom is gone. Wait, let me check here. Wait, where is she? She is gone. Oh, there she is, but that's not the mom. But that's the mom. But maybe I'm going back. Guys, comment down below if you want me to touch the puppies. Oh, but guys, comment puppies if you want me to touch the puppies and carry them. Okay, guys. What is that? Look, they are so cute. Watch till the end, so you can see the amazing part. Oh, but guys, I made a video about puppies too, but it was yesterday night, right guys? I tell it was dark, so I made a puppy video today now. So that's the puppies. So bye guys.